Hello and welcome back to Game Webbers. This is Kashif Mahmood. So here I am on a WoodMart store and I want to enable the maintenance mode in it. So here is the incognito window. We can minimize it. So here I am on the website. Now we will go to the WordPress dashboard. Here we have the WoodMart theme installed already. So we can go to the theme settings and here we will go to maintenance. Here you can see maintenance mode. You can turn it on and click on save. And now go to the pages. And here we will have to click on add page. Let's close this and here you can type any name. Here click on publish. And now click on edit with Elementor. And here you need to go to this page settings option, go to page layout and select maintenance over here. After that click on publish. Here you can design the maintenance page. So here we have some templates available in WoodMart. We can choose any of these. Here you can set up the timer if you want, otherwise you can just remove this thing and remove the button. So design it as how you want and then click on publish. Now let's go to the incognito window. Go to the incognito window and open the store. Here you can see. Now if you want to set the page to full width or the section to full width, now you can select this section and click on full width, publish. So here you can see now it is set to full width. So that's it for the video. See you next time.